أنا طائر رائع. I am a great bird. نعم، أنا طائر رائع. نينا، أنت لا تعرفين الضمائر؟ You don't know the pronouns? You should learn it. When someone talks about himself or herself, we say أنا. I is أنا. أنا بلبل. I am بلبل. ماذا تتكلمين عن نفسك؟ Okay, أنا بلبل. No, you say أنا نينا. I is أنا. It is used when talking about yourself, whether you are male or female. Okay, أنا نينا. أنا نينا. أنا. I. When talking about ourselves, a group including me, it is نحن. We. We is نحن. It is used when talking about yourself and others, two or more people. نحن. We. When you talk to another person, أنت للمذكر, you for male. أنت. أنت. For female, you say أنتِ. أنتِ. You is أنتِ. أنت للمذكر male أنت. أنتِ للمؤنث female أنتِ. أنت بلبل. أنا نينا وأنت بلبل. I am Nina and you are بلبل. Great! Now, when you talk to two people, dual form, you say أنتما. You two, أنتما. For a group of males or mixed, more than two, you say أنتم. أنتم. For females only, you say أنتن. أنتن. مرحبا، أنتما قطتان جميلتان وأنتم الثلاثة رائعون. Hello, you two are beautiful cats and you three are wonderful. Nina, hurry up, I'm afraid of cats. When you talk about the third person, male, you say هو. He is هو. It is used when talking about one male person. هو يتسوق. He is shopping. He is هو. هو يتسوق. He is shopping. When you talk about the third person, you say she. هي. She is هي. Used when talking about one female person. هي تتكلم على الهاتف. She is talking on the phone. هي is she. هي تتكلم على الهاتف. She is talking on the phone. When you talk about a group, males or mixed group, they is هم. هم. And if they are females, they is هن. هن. هم أطفال لطيفون. They are cute children. This is هذا. هذا. It is used for masculine, singular object or person. هذا خبز. This is bread. هذا خبز. This is bread. This is هذه in case of feminine singular object or person. هذه عربة. هذه عربة. This is a cart. هذه عربة. الحساب 10 دنانير. من سيدفع؟ The bill is 10 dinars. Who will pay? هو سيدفع. He will pay. حسناً، سأدفع من خلال البطاقة الائتمانية. Okay, I will pay by credit card. Don't teach anyone pronouns in the market. لا تعلم أحداً الضمائر في السوق. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join Nina in her adventure in learning Arabic.